is my first turkey hunt, and I passed the hunter safety course easily, and I just got my turkey tag earlier, and we're about to go hunt, and I'm excited.
Fired Up Outdoors is brought to you by Killer Food Plots, Cops Gun Shop, Executioner Broadheads, Tribe Archery, Antler Trap Deer Mineral, Magic Bait, Fired Up Outdoors Bow Fishing, Element Arrows, and Garmin Verve.
Get back here, there's more goblin.
I'm so excited.
That's a monster. That's a big bird. That's awesome.
I know. I'm so glad I didn't miss.
They put on a show. That's awesome. I told you I'd put you on some birds.
I know. Thank you. I was so nervous. I was like shaking.
That's a good bird. They're both good birds. It's about a 11-inch bird, 11-inch beard, inch spurs.
What a beautiful sunset on a beautiful day that I shot my first turkey, and I couldn't have asked for anything better. And earlier I was a little tiny bit discouraged, but today I was definitely satisfied. So I had a great time, and they're really awesome.
Fired Up Outdoors would like to thank all of our great sponsors: Cops Gun Shop, Killer Food Plots, Magic Bait, Next Gen Crossbows, Be the Tree Cover Stand, Rusty's Taxidermy, Executioner Broadheads, Zinnick Ground Blinds, HHA Sports, Antler Trap Deer Mineral and Attractor, Element Arrows, Alps Outdoors, Tribe Archery, and Garmin Verb. I want to thank everybody for watching Fired Up Outdoors this week. We hope you enjoyed the show. Please tune in next week right here on KSBI for another exciting adventure right here at Fired Up Outdoors.
Let's get fired up outdoors, out on the trail and your soul it roars, out in the open, stalking your prey, time to make your move today. Will you pull that trigger or are you gonna bail? It's a fine line.